Folded Hands, the prayer on repeat. Why Nisha TS and Raymer's Hello Mwari is an anthem. Every once in a while, a song drops that does more than just top the charts. It captures the collective spirit and becomes a cultural moment. That's exactly what Nisha TS and Raymer have done with their collaboration, Hello Mwari, Hello God. It's more than a track, it's a beautifully honest conversation that has resonated from the ghettos to the diaspora. A new sound for an old plea. Hello Mwari isn't your typical Afro-pop or Zimdancehall hit. It occupies that powerful space where raw emotion meets melodic brilliance. The message, the core of the song, is a heartfelt prayer. The artists are laying bare the struggles, the aspirations, and the simple need for divine intervention in the chaos of everyday life. This sincerity is its magic. It's a track that allows the listener to feel seen and heard in their own silent battles. Nisha TS's vulnerability. Nisha TS, who has been making waves in the Zimbabwean music scene, delivers a vocal performance steeped in emotion. Her voice carries the weight of the prayer, making the Hello Mwari refrain an instant sing-along that feels less like a hook and more like a shared testament of faith and hope. Raymer's poise. Raymer complements the track perfectly, grounding the spiritual plea with a relatable, street-level narrative. His contribution ensures the song remains firmly rooted in the lived experience of their audience, bridging the gap between the sacred and the everyday hustle. Why it trended. The power of authenticity. In an era of flashy videos and disposable beats, why did this heartfelt plea stick? 1. It's a unifying prayer. Zimbabweans, like many people worldwide, face tough times. A song that openly acknowledges the difficulties and seeks strength as an instant lifeline. It's the soundtrack to *Kutsungurira*, persevering. 2. Viral momentum. The song's official music video quickly racked up views and sparked commentary, moving from local circles onto various trending lists. Its simple yet powerful visual storytelling only amplified its message. 3. Cross-genre appeal. While rooted in an Afro-pop framework, the song's sincerity gives it an appeal that transcends genre boundaries, allowing it to be embraced by listeners across all tastes. In short, Hello Mwari is proof that authenticity is the ultimate hit maker. Nisha TS and Raymer didn't try to be anyone else, they just shared their heart, and the nation listened. The verdict. Essential listening. If you need a moment of musical reflection, a track that speaks to the struggle while offering a moment of peace, or just an exceptionally well-crafted Zimbabwean hit, then look no further. This collaboration is a career highlight for both artists and an essential addition to any playlist.